spectacular figured Red Mallee. Finest quality, amazing, beautiful figures on it. Check it out. So all these slabs are unique. They came from the same log. Finest quality. Beautiful burly pins on it, all the edges. So all these slabs have those beautiful one side live edge. So we can see it here. Unique pattern on it. That's a water stain mark, so it will go away while you're sanding them. So someone looking for finest quality, highly figured wood slabs, call us. California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California. But I'll get you the dimension of these slabs in one quick second. Let me go and get some tape measure. We measure it. So we consider this is a slab number 1. So let me show you the dimension of the slab number 1. These are like 64 inches length. The width is, the widest point is 22 inches. The sister slab 64 and a half, and the same width, almost 20 and a half. Slab number 3 here, 65 inches in length. This is a little bit wider, but same, 21. Slab number 4, 66 inches in length and 23 inches in width. So all are like 2 inches in thickness. Amazing quality, beautiful figured Red Mallee. It's going to be super beautiful, amazing figure.